So I'm definitely not going back into work. I don't know if you can see it, but there is a tree right there, blocking my driveway. It's really bad. I know. You're not going out there. Yeah, I heard, I was asleep, taking a nap, getting ready to go back into work, and I was asleep, and my brother opens the back door. Well, the power splittering. Yeah. What am I trying to say? Oh, yeah, I'm asleep, so back door, my bedroom, way down there. I hear the back door open because I hear like that, and I'm like, what the hell? And then I hear my brother calling who did you call? Mom about the tree? Yeah. Oh yeah, called Mom about the tree. So there's a tree in the driveway. And I was like, shit, did it hit the Chevelle? Nope, it didn't hit the Chevelle. Well, it kind of looks like it might be. And now it's hailing. Right. Pip, what's happening? Look how fast the water's coming out of the drain. Okay. There you go. You can see it better. Oh, no. Oh. Yeah. Alright, so I've got the video so that he wants to go and cut Roscoe, or Pepper. We're going to go cut down the tree, or cut up the tree. The electric saw is messed up, or something. It's out of gas, I think, or something. So we're going to use it. How crazy this is. That's crazy. So we are going to exit. The baseball bats and all that stuff were in there and they fell. A tree. Did it hit? Did it hit the car? There was two, so. Huh? There was two axes. Yeah, that's fine. That's a pretty darn big tree. That's good. Which one do you want? He just cut this huge one off the side of that one. That's still all the way in the driveway. It's still coming. Okay, so we have, I'm out of breath. We have gotten all of these sawed and everything. Alright! We got it out of the driveway. We got just this left. But this right here is the bitch.
Yes, there's some in it.
Here's the, it didn't even like break in half. It like completely came out of the ground. There were no roots.
What kind of old?
And it was old and dead. So it was pretty interesting. We're trying to hurry up and get it done before it starts storming again. Because it's still lightning and everything, and the neighbor's coming over to help us. So yeah, we just did that with a little axe and a little handsaw. Brother and sister. Power. So I've never experienced anything like this. Whoa, this is beautiful. Crazy. Yeah, I've never experienced anything like this before where the tree is here. Like everybody else in my family has. I guess I've just been the youngest or have never been home when it happened. But one tree is just bonding, me and my brother. Nobody else is home. But it's exciting. Well, exciting in the sense that we're working together. But, yeah. Neighbors coming to help us. Whew. My poor car. Oh, it's raining again. Yep, here it goes. My hands are all dirty. My clothes is all dirty. That's it. I'm making sure that I'm wearing something that doesn't matter if it gets, dirty. It's raining! It's raining! Alright. We're going to get this done. Alrighty, so that's over for now. We got the whole tree cleaned up, the driveway's cleaned up, the yard's cleaned up. It is now 7:30, fixing dinner, and I'm probably gonna paint my nails. Got a shower because, oh my god, I was filthy. And I'm very proud of my hair because I washed it, and it is now permy. Yay! I was afraid that, actually, Raimi and I are both afraid that it was gonna come out. Just because it's been acting all weird anyways, so. But yeah, it's intact still. That's good. Yay! So, that's exciting. Apparently there's a, hey Mom! What? How many houses did you say were without power?
90,000.
It's
Not necessarily houses, places.
Oh, 90,000 in our area.
Put some water in there.
90,000 places without power. Vlogging. She rolled her eyes. Anyways, 90,000 without power. It's pretty redonkulous. Whatever. Stuff happens for a reason. So, alright, hope everybody is safe, and I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I hope that nobody got hurt too bad. And I hope that everybody whose power is out today can get their power back as soon as possible. Alright, I will see you tomorrow. Bye, y'all.